Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Share market, money earning, English and jokes. Hello friends, मी आहे यल्लप्पा महादेव वाघमारे. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास प्लीज लाईक करून शेअर करा. माझा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केला नसेल तर प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओसाठी प्लीज बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा, कारण मी असेच इंग्लिश या विषयातील युजफुल कंटेंट्स घेऊन येणार आहे. चला तर मित्रांनो, स्टार्ट करूया. ॲप्रिशिएशन ऑफ द पोएम्स. स्टँडर्ड 10th appreciation of poems. Poem number 1, A Teenager's Prayer. Title, A Teenager's Prayer. Poet, J. Marsh. Rhyme scheme, ABCB. Figure of speech, apostrophe, alliteration. Theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is a teenager's desire to be able to take the right decisions that leads to success in life. The teenager requests the Lord to help guide him in his journey in life and stay with him as he has to take important decisions on a daily basis. He simply wants to choose the right path that helps him keep his mind clean, that lead to success, and avoid all temptations or roads that leads to distress. It is a beautiful poem that shows how a teenager wants to do the right thing and needs the Lord's help to ensure he does not stray from his morals. Poem number 2, Basket Full of Moonlight. Title, Basket Full of Moonlight. Poet, the poet of the poem, Sunil Sharma. Rhyme scheme, there is no rhyme scheme in this poem. This poem is free verse. Figure of speech, repetition, alliteration, apostrophe. Theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is the loneliness of a child in a remote village, untouched by modern amenities. The child is too far from the modern urban life that even his remedy for the plight of his villagers seems quite innocent and plain. Poem number 3, You Start Dying Slowly. Title, You Start Dying Slowly. Poet, Pablo Neruda. Rhyme scheme, there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. It is written in free verse style without regular stanza, division or meter. Figure of speech, apostrophe, repetition, antithesis. Theme or central idea. The theme of the poem can be condensed thus: life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. We live fully only when we enrich ourselves with new knowledge, wide experience, fresh emotions, daring encounters, and exciting challenges. If we settle for a life that is stagnant, repetitive, or conventional, we start dying slowly instead of living the life fully. Poem number 4, The Twins. Title, The Twins. Poet, Henry S. Leake. Rhyme scheme, the rhyme scheme of the poem is ABAB. Figure of speech, alliteration, hyperbole. Theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is the problem faced by one of the identical twins. Here the problem is so exaggerated that it creates a humorous effect. Still, the poet achieves a balance by making the reader believe, at least for a brief moment, the logic of his argument. Poem number 5, If. Title, If is a conjunction denoting condition. Poet, Rudyard Kipling. Nobel Prize winner and the author of the Jungle Books. rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the first stanza is A A A A. The other 5 stanzas has a uniform rhyme scheme of A B A B. Figure of speech, antithesis, theme or central idea, certain valuable pieces of advices imparted by father to his son. The theme running through the poem that if the son fulfills certain conditions, he can be rest assured of certain results. Poem number 6, O Captain, My Captain. Title, O Captain, My Captain. Poet, Walt Whitman. Rhyme scheme, A B B, C D E D. Figure of speech, apostrophe, repetition, onomatopoeia, etc. Theme or central idea. The poet expresses the mixed emotions, victory and the death of the captain. It is a mournful poem which is written to honor Abraham Lincoln, the President of the United States. It describes the victory of the Union after the end of Civil War and also the assassination of Abraham Lincoln. Poem number 7, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. Title, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. Poet, Robert Lee Frost. Rhyme scheme, the rhyme scheme of the first 3 stanzas is A B A. The final stanza has a uniform rhyme of A. Figure of speech, inversion, alliteration, theme or central idea. The theme of the poem is that a traveler on horsebook stops by a little forest on a winter evening. The little forest, in the speaker's own words, was lovely, dark and deep. Though he was greatly fascinated by the scene, the calls of duty urges him to move on. He reminds himself that he must discharge his duties before it is too late. Hello friends, thank you very much for watching my videos.